Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, I'm recording right now on an Osmo Pocket, and if I go over here, this is a Canon 80D. Now the Canon 80D, at least mine right now, I've got a lens on it that costs about 8 times as much as this here Osmo Pocket. But the Osmo Pocket has a tiny little dinky lens, but it records in 4K. This Canon 80D records in 1080p, but the cool thing is that I'm upscaling the 1080p to 4K, so it might look a little blurry compared to the Osmo Pocket. But anyways, I need both cameras right now for what I'm about to do, because behind me is the comment generator, or the random comment generator, because we're going to pick a winner for the Lume Cube contest. Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to use the Osmo Pocket for that. So I'm just going to whip the camera around 180, and here we go. There we go, there's my little laptop screen. So up in the corner I have the link to my YouTube site where all the comments are, and I've already tried it once to make sure it works, and it does. That's why it shows amount of unique comments at 340. So now I'm going to do it for real. I didn't pick a winner though last time, I just had it do this little thing. Alright, I'm going to click it again, and it still comes up with 340. Now, this time we're going to go and pick a winner. Let's go down here, where's my start button? There it is, let me pull away, hit the start. And let's see who is the winner of the Lume Cube Air. Zach Dawson. Does he have the right answer? Red, green, yellow, blue. All right, Zach, I'll be sending you an email asking for some information so that I can send it to Trevor at Lume Cube and send you the Lume Cube Air. Trevor will send this out to you sometime in the month of January. Not this one again. You'll get your very own brand new one. So for everybody who participated, from myself and from Trevor and his gang at Lume Cube, I want to say a big thank you, because that was great. You guys made this whole contest really good. And there might be more future contests. Who knows? From maybe Lume Cubes, maybe different products. We'll see what happens in the future. But for now, I got to get on to editing and making more videos for you guys. So I'm going to sign off really quick and say again a big thanks, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.